Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Okay, before we start our lesson, we will pray first, okay? God, thank you for the foods that you gave to us, and thank you for blessings and guide, and thank you for the foods, everything that you make to us, and thank you for our bodies that you make to us. Amen. Okay. Our lesson for today is about addition. After this lesson, we will have our recitation one by one. I call your name one by one, okay? Example: Peter gave me 3 apples, and Matt gave me 3 apples. How many apples did I receive? Violet. 6. Okay, correct. And BP. 6. Correct. LP. 6. Correct. Pinky. 6. Correct. You are all correct. Very good. And we will. Okay. I will give you an assignment. I will check it tomorrow. Goodbye, class. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Bye, class. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, sir. Okay, today we will sing. Who wants to sing? Me, teacher, me. Okay, Pinky, sing. Ang bayang kong tanging ikaw, Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay ko sa iyo ibibigay, tungkulin ko'y gagampanan, ang lagi kong tatandaan, Pilipino ay ako. Okay, sit, Pinky. Very good, Pinky. Teacher, me. Okay, Violet, sing. Mga kababayan ko, dapat naman laman na bilib ako sa kalay ko. Ako ay Pilipino. Kung may piti ang maputi, meron naman kayo manggi. Isipin mo na kayo mga puti ng aming ibiti. Okay, very good. Violet. Very good, Violet. Light pink. Teacher, sasayaw na lang po ako. Sige. Sasayaw po ako ng tinikling. Sige, sayaw ka na lang. Ting, 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 Okay, very good. Okay, DP.
Teacher, sasayaw ako ng modern.
Okay, sige, sayaw ka na. First, may sayaw.
Ting 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 tang tang. Ting 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 tang ting tang tang ting 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 tang tang. Ting tang tang tang. Sayaw kikay, sayaw kikay. La 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 la. Mahilig magpa-cute. Kikay, manamis-namis ang pagkain. Sayaw kikay, sayaw kikay.
Okay, very good. Ikaw naman, tayo ko naman. Ikaw yung new sa class ko. Sino ka?
My name is Polka.
Pongka. O sige. Kanta ka, Pongka, or pwede dance or kanta. Sige.
Dance na lang po.
Sige, dance ka na lang.
Apatapati, 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 pati, pati, apatapati,
Apatapatsi, apatapatsi, apatapatsi. Oh, aha, aha. Apatapatsi, apatapatsi, apatapatsi. Oh, aha, aha. Okay, sit down. Very good then. Lahat kayo very good. Alam niyo pala yung mga song na yon?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Very good pala kayo, ah. Okay.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, class. Okay.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, teacher. Okay, goodbye. I will leave the class na.